Welcome to my channel. Have you ever noticed how some women have this calming, magical energy? Just being around them feels like peace. You want to stay close, you feel safe. It's not about how they look, it's about their energy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become that kind of woman first for yourself, then for everyone around you. Let's start with something important. When you don't feel safe, you can't be in your feminine energy. Your nervous system is always in fight or flight mode. And when that's active, you're stuck in masculine energy, pushing too hard, competing, constantly chasing results. But feminine energy? It's flow. It's presence. It doesn't care how perfect your work is. It just celebrates the fact that you showed up, you tried, and you honored the journey. That's the energy that heals you and everyone around you. If you're a perfectionist, that's usually rooted in masculine energy, from childhood conditioning where you were told, why weren't you first, or you have to be the best. So you learn to believe that your worth comes only from achievements. But in feminine energy, your worth simply is, it doesn't need proof. Women who chase achievement nonstop, higher grades, better jobs, more money, may win at the game, but deep down, they often feel empty, tired, disconnected. That's because they're going against their natural flow. Even in fitness, have you noticed how you push yourself too hard at the gym, even when your body says no? Especially during certain phases of your menstrual cycle when your body craves rest and softness. But instead, we treat ourselves like machines, and that drains our energy. Men don't have monthly cycles. Their energy is more linear. They can do the same routine every day. But women are cyclical. Our energy flows in 4 phases each month, and we're meant to honor that. So how do you reconnect with your feminine energy? Start with how you present yourself. Wear clothes that make you feel beautiful. Do your skincare. Take care of your hair. If makeup makes you happy, wear it. Do things that make you feel good. The moment you do, your frequency rises, and everything you touch flows better. Think back on your past relationships. Do you notice any repeating patterns? Like chasing someone who doesn't want you? Becoming overly attached? These are signs of emotional wounds. You need to know your attachment style and start healing it. Ask yourself, in relationships, do you act like a woman or like a mother? A man wants a woman by his side, not someone trying to raise or fix him. Only men who are still emotionally attached to their own mothers seek a mother in a partner. If that's the dynamic, he'll eventually leave to find someone else. You don't need to be perfect. Maybe your parents made you feel you had to be, but they're not here now. You're the parent to yourself now. So how are you showing up as your own mom or dad? Can you celebrate your effort instead of criticizing yourself? Men are result-driven. Women are process-driven. A man feels great when he hits a goal, and that's fine. But a woman needs to feel joy during the process. If you're painting, don't just paint to see the final result. Enjoy how the colors mix, how the brush flows. That's the feminine way. Listen to your body. If you're constantly exhausted, sleepy, anxious, your body is telling you that you're doing things it doesn't like, that you're forcing too much. Feminine energy thrives on softness, not struggle. Women are naturally connected to the energy of the universe. We attract with ease when we're in flow. You don't have to do everything every day. You don't need to hustle nonstop. Slow down. Be in nature. Sit under trees. Smell the flowers. Let silence speak to you. In that silence, you'll hear the beliefs that aren't even yours, the ones your parents, teachers, or society gave you. Find them. Release them. Start journaling. Write down what you're grateful for every day. Celebrate the little joys. Romanticize your life. Light candles while studying. Play your favorite music while doing chores. Make your day feel like magic. Heal your attachment style. Search what secure attachment looks like and start practicing it. Yes, even if it feels fake at first, fake it till it becomes real. Everything starts with awareness. Don't watch the news. If something makes you feel scared, anxious, or angry, stop consuming it. Those feelings belong to masculine energy, the urge to control everything. That's not your job. You're here to flow, to feel, to trust. If you keep checking someone's stories, stalking their page, looking for answers, you're telling the universe, I don't trust you. But the universe needs your trust. It will show you what you need to see at the right time. Focus on your own healing. When your energy rises, everything around you shifts. You'll no longer be addicted to stress. Yes, stress can be addictive, especially when you constantly consume bad news. Stop feeding the fear. Do what made you happy as a child. Watch cartoons. Paint. Dress up. Style your hair like you always wanted to. Laugh. Be silly. Anyone who judges you is just someone who's too scared to express themselves. Feel compassion for them. But don't let them dim your light. Sync with your menstrual cycle. During your period, be alone. Rest. Turn inward. Choose creative, low-stress work. A job that lets you nurture others or express yourself. And if your current job drains you and doesn't allow your inner spark to shine, it's time to make a change. Don't be afraid to follow your passion. That desire was placed in you for a reason. Surround yourself with feminine energy. Spend time with women who are also on the path of healing, growth, and empowerment, who want to be more aware, more whole. And most of all, be gentle with yourself. Keep a photo of your childhood self nearby. Every time you want to talk down to yourself, look at that photo and remember, you're speaking to her. Be the mother and father she never had. Protect her. Love her. If this touched your heart, don't forget to watch the next video. It's all about how to attract what you desire in a way that truly works, especially if you're a woman. And if you enjoyed this message, please subscribe for more.